Hello. Nice to meet you, everyone. My name is Seongju, Kang, working for Korean government. I have spent most of my career in the area of ICT policy, so-called innovation policy. Yeah, my theme of my lecture is how to cope with post-industrial revolution trend in Korea. Since early 2010, we tried to innovate our country to deal with new agenda, such as knowledge economy or digital economy. We made some success, for instance, IT industry, or the use of internet, or the smart technology. From that time, we have actively adopted those technology into new policy area, such as e-government, e-commerce, or the e-health. Based on those kind of history, now we are trying to jump into new policy arena, so-called post-industrial revolution. I'm hoping to see you very soon.